First step, download and install WebEditor software. Link in description. Already install Atom software for web editing. Now run Atom software. Next set, download web template. Link in description. Download any template. Minimize Atom software. First, download web template. I already download this template. Now I editing this template. Open web template folder. Open index file on your browser. Click mouse right button and select Impact. Now go to Atom software. Click on Add folder. Now select Web Template folder. Click on Index file. Back to Chrome. And click on What do you edit? First, I change web logo. Check logo file location. Location is Web Template folder, and now go to Web Template folder. First, I copy update logo image and replace to old logo image. Copy old file name and delete old logo file. Now reload your browser. Use this method for change any image. Now I change next images. Use this method. Now I change website text. Use Atom software. Copy paragraph text and find now on Atom software. Now replace this paragraph text and heading text. I use sample text copy form lorem ipsum website. Text paste here. Press Ctrl+S for save file. And change now heading. Reload page, text updated. Now change button name and how to link button. This is button name and this is button style. Change a button name and button link. Go to Atom software. Input this button link. I link my YouTube channel. And now change button name. Reload your browser, and now check this button link. Use same method for change any button name and link. How to publish a website, get free domain and hosting, link in description.